Hi all, in this video we will talk about topic 2, manufacturing costs. We will learn about two subtopics by this video. Number 1, important of cost information. Number 2, difference between cost and expenses. What is important of cost information? Is to enable our management to carry out management function, which is planning, controlling, and decision making. Let's see what is the difference between cost and expenses. Expenses was something that we sacrificed first and we already obtained the benefit. That's why we recognize our expenses. But costing is totally different concept. We will sacrifice our resources first and we will obtain our benefit in the future. Example, cost of direct material. We will bear the cost of bought the raw material and benefit we will get it when we already sell out our product. We will get the profit afterward. And the expenses, example, insurance expenses. Insurance expenses is something that we already have our benefit. That's why we recognize our expenses. For this video, I hope everyone understand what is our difference between cost and expenses and important of cost information to our management function. Thank you.